name is Marco Lopez.
My name is Kevin Alvarado, and today we're going to show you guys how to use toilet paper in the restroom. So follow us to the restroom, guys.
Alright, just kidding guys. Today we're going to do a how-to video on how to set up a soundboard, some speakers, and a monitor and a mic.
Well, first of all, you guys, we need power in this in order for it to work. So what we're going to do is connect the power cable, which is this right here. This is what you need. So we're going to connect that right here, and we're going to connect this right here to our power. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to set up this, which is the snake technically, to our thing we'll be showing you later. So we're going to connect 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3. So this is what you call a female, and this is what you call a male. Because the male has the stick figures and the woman has the round things. So that's what we're going to connect. And this is what you call overall channels. So this is channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, channel 5, channel 6. So whenever you connect something, you can raise up the volume here. And this is your main. And these are your subs, which we'll be explaining later on this how-to video.
Guys, this is a snake that goes around, connects to the soundboard, which basically helps you connect your mic or your guitar.
Which is this, will be connected, you guys, to the soundboard. All of this is the snake. So you see, he told you guys it goes around, so it's coming down right here, and it just comes up. And these are called XLRs. So that's what goes into here, and that's what you need to connect the mic, and you need to connect the guitar. So we'll explain that right now.
This is a snake. This is an XLR cable, which this is the female part. It's going to be connected to the mic so it could sound.
Now we're going to connect the male to the female on the snake. As you guys see, we have a speaker right now, and it has no power or nothing right now, so we wanted to sound with our sound, right? So we wanted our mic to be out into the open for the crowd, right? So what we're going to do is, we're going to connect the power cable, and then we're going to connect it to the top, which is already connected. So Marco is connected. And then now what we're going to do is connect an XLR. And that XLR, what it's going to do, it's going to be directly to our sound. So we'll go back to the soundboard and show you where it's actually plugged in. So now we can say it turns on, so it's on, and we're going to see right now
We just connected the XLR cable to the speaker, but now we're here in the soundboard. We need to connect it in the main out. Your left, right here, and your right speaker to your right speaker.
Alright you guys, so now that we plugged in the mic to the snake, now we're going to show you a little bit of how to do this. So what we have to do is unmute 5, so unmuted 5, and we put the volume up. Now we have the mains over here, so we put our speakers up since the speakers are plugged in now, and we put it up, and now we raise the volume, and now Marco's going to test it out for you and see how it goes.
Thank you for watching our how-to video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it.
And hopefully you guys got something out of it, how to work a minor sound system. Now you at least know the names, some of the cables, and how to set up a mic and the speakers. So now you can work your own sound system at home. My name is Kevin, and today we're going to show you guys how to use an elevator.